So would you have ever believed that this is the same lawnmower I saw on the side of the road? I just gave it a bath, still wet, and it looks really good. Sorry for the shadow there. Took me probably an hour and a half to do all this. We've repowered this with a 4.5 horsepower Yardman. Started that first pull, lots of smoke. Came out really clean. This will sell very quickly on Craigslist. You know, good $60, $65, maybe $70. We'll put some gas in this and give it a start. Here we go, last start here. All done with a repowered yard machine.